Yeah, children. First question, basing on degree major theorem and cyclic quadrilaterals. First question, please see here, children. First question. This is the question, children. See here, all of you. Children, this is E, this is C, and please see here, children, all of you. This is AC, which is and this is this one, children. This is the center. This is not the center. Remember, this is not the center. This is A, this is B, and this is 65 degrees, children. Question is calculate DEC, children. Calculate DEC. Who will tell children calculate DEC is the question. And he said that ED is parallel to diameter, children. Oh, I'm sorry. ED is parallel to diameter, children. One second. Here you see, children. ED is parallel to diameter. The only thing they gave, children, ED is parallel to diameter. This is diameter. ED is parallel to diameter. Okay, we have to find out this x. Anyone? Who will tell? Anyone?
Sir, can I?
Yes, no. Yeah.
Sir, angle A is equals to angle B.
Okay, very good. If this is 65, this is also 65. Why,
Angles
Nana?
in
Why?
same segment are equal.
Very good, fantastic, Nana. Angles in same segment are equal. Very good. Next.
Next,
Yeah. Yeah. How do you do next? If this is 65, this is also 65. But I want this angle. So this and this are parallel lines. Okay? You're able to understand? No, no. Try to understand. This line and okay. If you are getting just you tell me what will be this angle? What will be this angle? Anyone? Anyone? What will be that
180
angle?
minus 65.
180
No, no,
minutes.
no, no, no. What will be this angle? Only this angle. Only this. Anyone?
90 degrees.
90
90.
degrees. Why angle in semicircular?
Angle in semicircle.
90 degree.
Angle. Now, children, this and this are parallel lines. So, co-interior angles are
Supplementary.
supplementary. So, how you will write, children? 65 plus
Plus
90 plus
90
x
plus
is equal to
x
180.
equals to 180.
Because this angle plus this total angle will be 180. Why? Co-interior angles are
One
supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. So, how much, children? 155 plus x is equal to 180.
180.
This comes here. X is equal to
80.
25.
25. Try to understand, children. Try to understand. No one is telling. Shenmukh only is telling. Next question, children. Children, they said that these two are the circles. So many questions I am saying on the circles, children. Okay, this is O. And see, children, here they have given AB and CD. Please see here. This is AB and this is CD. Please try to understand. This is CD. Like this they join. Like this they join. And this is P, children. Point of intersection P. This is center of the circle O. Okay, children. What is the question? It's AB and CD are two chords intersecting each other at P such that he is saying that AP is equal to CP. What is given, children? AP is equal to CP. Required proof AB is equal to CB. We have to prove that AB is equal to CB. Anyone, children? Anyone? Who will tell? AB is equal to CB. AB is equal to CB, children. AB is equal to CB. We should prove. Anyone in the class? This is given. This is required to prove. Yes, anyone? Very easy question, children. Very, very easy question. No one? Nandika?
Yes, sir.
How to do? What happened, Nana? How to do?
Sir, we need to prove the congruency of triangles.
Tell me. How to do?
In triangle ACP and DPB, AB is equal to
See, tell me, in these both triangles, angle P is equal to angle
angle
P.
P is equal to angle P, vertically opposite angles.
Angle P is equal to angle P, vertically opposite angles. Next.
AB by 2 is equal to CD by 2.
No. By 2 y will come, Nana. By 2 y will come. AP
No,
is
sir,
equal
they
to
have
CP.
given AP by yes. Sir.
AP is equal to.
AP is equal to CP.
Oh, they give AP is equal to CP.
Yes.
AP is equal to CP. 1 second, Nana. I gave wrong. This is C, Nana. Nana, this is C. This is D. Now we get it.
Okay.
AP is equal to CP.
CP.
Yeah. So here AP and here CP are equal, given that is. Anything else? Anything else for comprehension? Anything else? Can I write angle C is equal to angle A?
Yes, sir. Angles in same segment. Angle
Angle
C
A
is
is
equal
equal
to
to say
angles in same segment.
angles
By
in same segment.
By AS congruency, triangle APD is congruent to CPB. By
CBB. Okay.
by
No.
CP
APD is congruent to CPB.
CPB.
By CPCT?
By CPCT, DP is equal to PP.
By CPCT, what is equal to what?
DP is equal to PP.
DP is equal to BP. DP is equal to BP. Okay. But I want AB is equal to CD.
Yes, sir.
AP is equal to CP already you got. Now AP is equal to CP you got it. Now we got that DP is equal to BP. No, what is this congruency? ASA congruency, not AAS.
ASA congruency, sir.
ASA congruency. Angle, side, angle. I want AB is equal to, 1 second, what is the question? This is AB is equal to CD. Yeah, I want this fully. AB is equal to CD. How to do AB is equal to CD? From here to here I want. Yes, ma'am. How to do that?
Sir,
Yeah, you people don't have similarity conditions, no, Nana. Similarity condition you have to use here, but you don't have similarity. So just DP is equal to BP is enough for you. Because if I tell you similarity, you won't understand that you'll come in 10th class. Just remember that DP is equal to BP. Okay, ma'am? This is enough for you. Okay, third question, children. Because similarity condition we have to use it. Anyway, that's not given. I am seeing in the book they have given similarity conditions. No, we should not use, children. Leave it. Next question, children. Tanmay, can you say this? Tanmay. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is O, this is D. Tanmay, can you say this?
Yes,
So
sir.
what you have to say means here, we have to prove that angle BOD is equal to angle A. Angle BOD is equal to angle A, you have to prove, that's all. Angle BOD is equal to angle A, you have to prove. Can you do it? Yeah, no, very easy sum. So I want this is equal to this. Anyway, first what I will do, see BOC. Angle BOC is what, man? Angle BOC. Angle BOC is what? Two times of angle
Two
A
times of angle A.
by degree measure theorem. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
This you keep. Now, can you prove this both congruent enough? Prove that this both congruent enough for me. Can you prove this both are congruent?
Yes, sir.
Tell prove then. Prove this both are congruent. OD is equal to OD, common side.
Common side.
Angle D is equal to angle D, 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. Why?
Sir, the radius is equal.
Radius. So no, not SA. RHS. Right angle hypotenuse side. Right angle hypotenuse side. By RHS congruency, what we can say? ODB is congruent to ODC.
ODC.
By CPCT, what we can write? This angle equal to this angle. Yes or no? By CPCT, this and this are equal.
Equal.
Sir, but BOC, what you wrote? BOC, what you wrote? BOC?
Two times of angle A.
What? Now I can write BOC, what I can write? X plus X?
Yes, sir.
How much?
X plus X equals 2x equals to 2 times of angle A.
X is
2
equal
to
to
cancel,
A.
X equals to.
X is equal to A. Hence proved. That only, no, he asked. Over. You are able to understand, children? Very easy, some children. Only thing is you have to concentrate. That's all. Next question, children. Question is there like this, children. Fourth question. Please see here, everyone. There is a question like this. Please concentrate, children, everyone. Don't sit idle, children. Please keep writing, children. Don't sit idle like that. AQBP. Children, this is AB. This is PQ. These both are meeting at center of the circle O. Children, AB of a circle bisects PQ. He is saying that AB bisects PQ. He's saying that AB bisects PQ and both of them are diameters only because they're passing through O. Okay, AB bisects PQ. And he's also saying that AQ is parallel to BP. AQ is parallel to BP. We have to prove that chord PQ is also diameter, children. No. Okay. AB is the diameter, bisects PQ. If AQ is parallel to B, prove that chord PQ is also diameter of the circle. Children, he is asking prove that PQ is also diameter. He said that AB is diameter. AB is diameter. Prove that PQ also diameter. Prove that PQ also diameter. AB is diameter. Prove that PQ also diameter, children. Anyone, children? Yes, children, anyone? He said AB is diameter. Prove that PQ also diameter, children. Yes, children? No one? Okay, children, you don't want to say this, I can't help her. Okay, children, see, he's saying that AB and PQ are bisecting each other. This and this are equal. This and this are equal because AB and PQ are bisecting each other. AB bisects PQ is same. Okay. Children, AB bisects PQ. AB is bisecting PQ when these both are equal, children. Okay. And AB is the diameter when these both are also equal, children. This and this are vertically opposite angles. This triangle and this triangle are congruent, children. So we can say that OAB is congruent to OPB, children. And these both are parallel also, he's saying, children. Try to understand, these both are parallel. Children, this angle equal to this angle. Try to see all of you here. If this is x, this is also x. And if this is x, this is also x, children. Why? Because angles in the same
Angles
segment
in the
are
same
equal.
Angles in same segment.
This and this are equal because alternate angles. This and this are equal, angles in the same segment are equal. Try to understand, children. Okay, so children, because this and this are parallel and this angle is equal to this angle, so what I will write means slowly you see, children. Last question, just I will say and I will stop. See, this is only last question. See here, slowly you see, children. First one, what did I say, children? That OP is equal to OQ, I said. He only gave, children, because he's saying that OP is equal to OQ because AB is bisecting. This is first one. Then what he said, children, AQ is parallel to BP. AQ is parallel to BP. He only said, children, this is given. This is also given. Next, children, angle AQP. Angle AQP is also equal to angle BPQ. BPQ. Angle AQPC, children. This angle is equal to this angle. Why, children? Angle Y is equal to angle Y because they are parallel, alternate interior angles, and angle X is equal to angle X because they are alternate interior angles, children, parallel alternate interior angles. So in the same way, POB is equal to AOQ. POB is equal to AOQ because they are also vertically opposite angles, children. So seriously speaking, AOQ and BOP are congruent, children. AOQ is congruent to BOP. Everything is congruent. From that, we came to know that OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. Children, he said these both are equal, but we also proved that OA is equal to OB. If OA is equal to OB means O is the center. If O is the center, PQ is also diameter. If O is the center, PQ also diameter, children. Try to understand. If O is the center, then PQ is also diameter because PQ is also going through the O. Okay, children. OA is equal to OB. Children, try to understand. OA is equal to OB, we got. But, and he only said first only AB is diameter. In diameter, OA and OB are equal means O is midpoint. That is midpoint of circle. So PQ is also diameter because it is going through O. Like that you have to analyze and you have to do, children. Anyone have any doubt, children, in this question? You can ask me.